Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this pink vintage filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. To get this effect, visit the creator profile. Chewy is the creator of this effect, but he's having a private account, so you can send him a friend request and check in his filter gallery. This is the filter, pink vintage. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here, you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.